We're here because we're going to rebuild our house here on Marigold Street in Altadena, and we're very excited that we're going to be breaking ground basically now. And we're here with my wife and Amy, who runs the company, Christopherson, which is the sign behind us, and we're very excited. This has been a long haul, and we're ready to go.
There's a lot of ways you can make a living, but if you can really change people's lives and do it well for them and bring them back home and give them hope, there's nothing better in the world.